Hello, Jutta family. We are rescuing a dog that has been in a chain, tied to a chain, living in a barrow, and apparently it has been that way all its life. It belongs to an elderly person who, you can see the chain is not very long. It belongs to an elderly person, and tourists came by, spotted the dog. They contacted the municipality police, who's just come over, and they are talking to the lady right now for handover. They're going to confiscate the dog. The municipality police called us to come and get you as well. So they're having discussions at the moment, obviously, because cultural changes really must be made, and they need to, some teaching really. They need to understand that this is cruel. I mean, this baby is being in a chain all his life, apparently. Look at him, he's so cute. He's so pretty, and he's happy to see us. Look, he's got a waggy tail. Look at that. This is the little patch that it lives in. Don't know if I can show you the conditions as good, but yeah, beautiful area. We're right by the sea, but the area is quite poor. It's a poor area of just outside Ierapetras. Sorry, I'm going down a hill here. Okay, here's the, oh my goodness, there are cats living with the doggy as well. Here's where the dog lives. They talking. I'm not going to film the lady or the police, but you can hear them discussing things, because obviously she's making excuses. This is where he lives, and there's cats in there too. Yeah, getting the chain now. It seems to be old. Seems to be an old baby. They believe he's been living like this all his life. There you go. Freedom. Yeah, it's I don't know, it's just cultural changes are badly needed, some animal welfare education, because they truly think that they are being good to the animals. They think that, sorry, they're discussing, so I can't film the dog because the lady's next to it. They do believe that they're doing the best and there is no problem, so some awareness needed. See, it's greenhouse area again. It's a poor area of town. There it is. That's the baby. That's the dog. And we're going up the hill. That's the policeman. See. Oops. Ah, tiene paura allora. Okay, I have to go because I will have a doggy on my lap. Thank you very much, Jutta family. We shall speak soon. Okay. On my lap. There you go, see? See? All right, baby, all right. Bye-bye now, Jutta family. I have to go.